In this video, I will show you how to change user roles. You can only do this as an administrator. First of all, go to your company profile and go to the users tab. Here you get an overview of all users in your account. There are three types of users. Administrators, they do have the full right. Users, they can submit simulations and generative design runs. And viewers, they can only view results. If you click on the three bullets, you can edit the user and you can change the name, add a phone number, and change the type of user. For instance, I will change this one to a viewer. The same can be done to promote someone to a user. Click on the three bullets, edit user, and make him a user.